How to draw pineapple? It's simple. We'll begin by drawing oblong or oval shape figure. So once you have drawn oblong, we'll next add lines using scales. These should be cross lines and parallel to each other. And similarly, we'll add the lines from this side. And with this done, we'll add leaf on the top. So it's just curved lines which we are trying to draw. And with that finished, we'll add color. We'll use orange color, and for the leaf we'll be using green color. And we are finished with how to draw pineapple.